So yeah, guys. Okay, the moment of truth, their boy had been drinking toilet water.
Toilet water. Drinking toilet.
That's so crazy. Videos about it, and you know what I'm saying, and I'm back at this again with another banger video. Today's video, it's a prank. I'm gonna be pranking my boy Vura, you feel me? If y'all firstly, you feel me, I'm with his brother right now. He's gonna be the one who's helping me with the prank. This music is a copyright. You feel me? Today's video, I'm gonna be pranking your boy. We're gonna be pranking his brother.
I'm so excited, guys. Yo.
So yeah, man, if you want to see more, now the boy is gonna start streaming. So yeah, on Twitch. I'm gonna put my link in the description. Then go follow the boy. And then on the 28th of June 2025, the boy is gonna start streaming. So now, let's get into this video.
And I've also been pranking my love. The other time we ate my meat. The other time we put, what do you call this? The lemon thing on my spread. Now, yeah, this is gonna be a good one.
Good one. So yeah, guys, today's prank. We gonna be making him drink the toilet water. I know that's cool. I don't care if you get the STD, STI. I don't care. It's prank boys. Boom. It's prank boys. So now let's I don't know how we are gonna do this, but we're gonna do it right now. Like, dog, that's so crazy. Now it's toilet water, like real toilet water. Like the boy is out now, he went to the shops again. So I saw this opportunity to shoot this video. So yeah, let's get into this video. Gang!
Put a bust down on my wrist on God. That's my bitch on God. You ride, better ride with that stick on God. Better ride with that stick, that rod. Stand out 10 and take it like quick on God. I got these real niggas all in my section, they take it like quick.
Okay, now we are inserting the toilet water in this bottle. We're gonna make him drink, guys. We're gonna make him drink this toilet water. I know it's fucking gross, man. It's gross, guys. Yeah, man. Let's insert this water again. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this?
This is gross.
How are we going to do this?
See?
Good. This is gross, amiga.
Okay, that's actually
Yeah, make it full. Boy, you're gonna drink this, man. You're gonna be drinking this.
Oh, now that's serious.
That's so disgusting. You must wash your hands now.
Did I also drink it?
Yeah? No, I'm not gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink like real water, man. I'm not gonna drink this one. You must wash your hands, guys. So now the boy is gonna be pranked. The boy is gonna be pranked. So yeah, man. We are pranking this nigga. We are pranking this nigga. Wash your hands, boy. Wash your hands. Wash that hole. Wash that. So this is gonna be drinking this, guys. But it looks like water. It's not dirty. It's clean. The boy is out. Hey, bro. That's crazy, boy. Now, let's go to the kitchen. You feel me? Wash your hands, boy. Now, I'm gonna pour this shit on the shades. You feel me? So yeah, he's gonna be drinking this shit. Oh, serious. Now, okay, me? I'm gonna drink.
This is my
Okay.
Guys, remember to subscribe to Tyler, right?
Subscribe, my guy. Okay, we have a friend who's gonna be visiting, so we're gonna add him on the prank for me. So it's his glass and my friend's glass for me, and then let me get my real glass. I said glass. My real glass, you feel me? I'm gonna be drinking real still water for me. So okay, let me put my glass. He mostly uses this glass. No? Which glass?
The one that he uses the most is this one.
This one. He uses the most this one. So I'm gonna be using this glass to drink my real still water.
And this is this water is good.
This is the one that I'm gonna be drinking, and he's gonna be drinking this one. So if you think I'm lying, guys, I'm pouring this shit like oh, guys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, no prank, no nothing, bro. I'm pouring this shit right here. Let's go.
This is 20. It actually looks like pure.
It's a lot. Okay, not this one.
Nuh-uh. These are the full.
Okay, so with this one. My friends.
No.
They're back. Shit, she's back. What's up? Welcome, guys. You feel me? So today's it's a fake intro though. You feel me? It's a fake intro. Welcome to another video and another banger. You feel me?
Yeah, guys.
So today's video is a prank. It's not a prank. Okay, hold my glass. Let's hold my glass. You feel me? The prank went wrong, you feel me? It's not like we wanted. Okay, it didn't go according to the plan, you feel me?
I busted him.
You see, like his brother told him the whole fucking prank. Thank you.
Like it?
His brother told him about the whole fucking truth about this prank.
Yeah, gotta come on, food.
So now our friend's gonna visit, like he's gonna come right now, you feel me? And he's gonna be the one who's drinking this toilet water. It's right here. It's right here. This is the toilet water, and this is my water, you feel me? So we're gonna be patiently waiting, and okay, now he's in on it, so you feel me? Okay, stay tuned and let's wait for me.
Okay, guys, so like my friend Tiny is pranking my boy Andy, so I'm like get some water from like the bathroom shit. Feel me? So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna spill this water, then like get some fuck. Okay, let me just like flush.
This shit crazy. What's good, guys? This video is proudly sponsored by Sneaker Archive. If you want hot, fresh sneakers like Jordan 4s, Puma and Nike and many more sneakers, shop at Sneaker Archive. Use my promo code TINY50 to get a discount. First link in the description. Let's get back into the video. What's good, YouTube? It's about 10, you know what I'm saying? And I'm back at it again with another banger, you already know. And I'm not alone, and I'm here with...
Yo, what's good, what's keeping, what's popping? It's your boy, and you know what I'm saying.
How you came up with a new intro?
Yeah. And it's a nice one actually. Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, bruh.
You feel me? So today's video... What is today's video?
For long.
Oh yeah, I've been gone for long, you feel me? Like
You
y'all...
only better month.
Like y'all niggas, you feel me? Like y'all niggas and women, you feel me? Like have seen that I've been posting shorts on my channel. Yeah, guys. I don't know. It's school because I'm writing exams and it's tough. It's hella tough, guys. So doing content and school at the same time, it's a hard thing to do. It's not a good thing to do. So now I'm back. You feel me? I'll be posting.
Every class has been for
Boy, it's very good at that banger, guys.
You feel me? So I will be posting every Sunday starting from now on. And as y'all know that I told you on my first intro, you feel me? The boy's gonna start streaming. Go follow the boy on Twitch, tinylive_. You feel me? The link will be in the description. You feel me? So yeah, the boy has been working on Twitch. If y'all follow me and I will start streaming 100 followers, now I'm on 50 followers. So when I'm in 100 followers, I'll start streaming. So that stream gonna happen on the 28th of June 2025. So y'all niggas have to be tapped in. We have to tap in.
Don't forget to subscribe to this Bosch channel.
Boom, subscribe, guys. We're on a road to 3,000. We're on a road to 3,000. The boy forgot that, yo, the boy already passed 2,000 subscribers. It's hella tough. I've been pushing. We must push together. We must make sure that by the end of the year, we're gonna reach 100 or 99 something K subscribers or 90K subscribers.
100K, Baba.
100K, that's the goal. That is the goal. So follow all my social media platforms on Instagram. T_tiny_, you feel me? Then on TikTok, the official Tiny, you feel me? So yeah. No?
Sluggy.
Yeah. On TikTok I'm the official Tiny, so I'm fine.
No, they're free, buddy.
This is our sister, bro.
Sister.
Sister.
The man also laugh at dog.
The man also laugh.
It's fine, so yeah. Is also by the title and the sound.
No, Ballet. And
Yo. Darling, man.
Malo.
Masha, man.
Yeah?
Okay guys, it seems like this video is not going as planned.
Film.
You feel me? It's also, you feel me, the shit. And I thought the boy was going to be, though I thought it was going like there'll be difference when you drink same drink. You feel me? But the boy seems like the boy is cool with it. And the boy is keeping
And you know what's so sad about it? He's still going on with it. He's still going on with it.
Going on with it, boy. And it's kind of crazy, right?
Yeah. Y'all know what you're talking about, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Have a headache. 12 minutes and I've been yapping. So yeah, guys. Okay, the moment of truth, that boy had been drinking toilet water.
Toilet water. He's been drinking toilet water.
That's so crazy.
Muba. The
boy has been drinking toilet water.
Come on,
Yeah, we're actually planning to use it. And it seems like it worked. And
I'm not
Ngabo khazi usesa.
Hayi.
You are thirsty. You are thirsty. Where did he go now? You are thirsty. You are thirsty. You are thirsty. Yema uthuvela kodwa ungayazi. No, check this out, guys. Just wait for you.
Wake topini.
This is the next clip.
Wake topini.
Yema.
Wake topini.
What are you doing? Wait.
My guy, it's all like water then. This is what happened.
Then I flash a man, then I flash
One silly is a better man.
Didn't you notice the difference?
How do I say Illuminati? Illuminati, do I say Illuminati?
I was pretending, dog.
It was nice. Seems like it was. Nigga drank all the water. Oh, come on, don't feel like a difference, dog. Like, it tastes the dog like this, my God.
But
It's crazy that I am the one doing this prank and this nigga is fighting the boy. You feel me? But yeah, man, it seems like the prank does work.
Show the camera on me, bro. Like the dude wants to hit me, but like it wasn't my idea. It was like
Yeah, it was my idea, bro.
Majiro kuti.
Okay, the prank was supposed to be for him. You feel me?
We was by here to prank.
Like both of y'all. You feel me?
Like the none even call them young man again plus never one of the sugar and like this shit, this is a prank.
Ndivile lona ngibisithi nawe nawe siza. Hayi bu.
Yeah,
Nawenza ntoni?
So, that's crazy. But it end up the prank worked, told you. Ended up the prank worked, you feel me? Yeah, it's stuck, man. It's stuck. Ended up the prank. Okay. Ended up the prank worked, you feel me? So yeah, man. Like, subscribe and share, and turn on post notifications to be notified next time I jump on this channel. Like the video, guys, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. And
I know
last time when I was there,
Okay.
the camera was
No, it's not orange.
So follow the boy on Twitch until we reach until we reach 100 followers on Twitch. And yeah, man, we out gang.
And I just live the trip with a whole lot of bands. And I got these bitches, a whole lot of ass. I make money, I got a whole lot of cash.